Hi!
Welcome to this gorgeous place. First impression, how do you feel about the vibe here?
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I mean, like, who wouldn't love the vibe? I mean, it's so relaxing and it's so classy. And
On a scale of 1 to 10, how likely are you to steal the design of this vacation villa for your own home?
kung di lang nakakahiya, pwede ba 20? Hindi, pero bawal daw yun. Bawal nakawin, i-appreciate na lang. Pwede namang puntahan, di ba?
Coffee, tea, or a fancy mocktail while we tour this place?
Okay, pwede bang may alcohol na slide? Yan, perfect! Kasi on vacation naman tayo, di ba?
What's the first thing you notice when you walk into a brand new house?
The general feel or the vibe, yun talaga. It has to be, for me, it has to be cozy. It has to be, yung para bang, alam mo yun, parang welcoming. Hindi siya stiff. Kahit na ang ganda-ganda niya, kailangan merong, parang homey pa rin yung feel. And I think this place has that.
What's the first thing you notice when you walk into a brand new house?
For me, the way it's contained, kasi merong mga bahay na magaganda, di ba? Pag sa picture, ang gaganda niya. Pero pag pinuntahan mo, parang, alam mo yon talagang pang photograph lang siya. Kasi hindi na maintain. So ako, yun yung nanonotice ko. Kasi alam mo kung inaalagaan yung bahay, tsaka kung malinis.
Okay. Since nakaupo ka na dyan, rate the comfort level of the couch. 1 to 10.
Pwede na ako dito magkwarto. Dito na ako matutulog. It's very comfortable. Ito yung sinasabi ko na very homey, even yung furniture, hindi lang siya maganda tingnan. Pero talagang pwede mo siyang gamitin. Alam mo yon, yung talagang gagamitin mo, hindi lang siya pan-display. Like this couch. Super comfy.
If you could shoot a dramatic movie scene anywhere in this room, where would it be?
Tingin ko dito. Ito, sa living room. Kasi for me, di ba, kailangan very raw yung emotions, totoo, and mas lumalabas yon when you're comfortable, di ba? So, I think this is the perfect setup kasi very comfortable siya. So, this.
What age were you when you started acting?
9. Sa Kaluskos Musmos. 9 years old. Pag ito, free. Parang kasha ko dito.
How do you memorize your lines?
Ako, I try to first read the script talaga, di ba? And then I get the gist. Yung ano ba yung sinasabi? Ano ba yung gustong iparating ng eksena? Para kahit minsan kasi nawawala, di ba? Hindi mo na word per word. Pero at least kung alam mo yung pupuntahan ng eksena, alam mo yung more or less yung train of thought yung sasabihin mo. And then kasi merong mga directors na gusto talaga nila word per word. Then talagang tatry ko talagang memorize it, di ba? Repetition, ganon. Pero kung medyo naman, may directors naman or writers na they allow your own words para mas natural lang then yun, kinukuha ko lang yung thought. But syempre, as much as possible, dahil pinaghirapan naman nilang isulat yun, I try to stick to the script.
What's the best piece of advice a director ever gave you?
Don't act. No acting, please. Baga natural lang. Dito, sa kitchen. Kasi, di ba, mahilig tayo magluto. Di ba, mahilig tayo kumain. So, importante sa atin ang kitchen. Ayan. Ay, gusto ko magkape sa dali. Smile. Yes. Para sa hangover. Perfect. Healthy coffee.
Okay, be honest.
Yes.
Does this kitchen make you want to cook or just order high-end food?
Naman, kung ganito kaganda yung kitchen, magluluto ka talaga. Kasi sayang naman. Ito yung mga kitchen na tingnan mo yung layout, no? Parang andyan lahat, kompleto. At saka hindi ka, alam mo yun, it's so convenient. So talagang nakakainggan yung magluto.
What?
I have coffee sa nila. Yan. Kompleto na lahat, pati tubig. Coffee's ready. Almost. Diba? Pagka tayo magluluto, ito yung magandang kind ng kitchen kasi habang nagluluto, pwede ka nang makipagchikahan sa iyong mga amigas, di ba? At ayan, no? Parang breakfast nook na rin siya.
What is your absolute go-to food? Comfort food?
Pasta! Creamy pasta. Yan talaga. Guilty pleasure ko yun. Alam mo yan.
Oo. Let's peek inside the fridge now.
Okay. Sige.
What is the one thing you always have stocked at home?
Siyempre ako, gusto ko cold water na may lemon. I always have that. Okay. Ito yung isa pang guilty pleasure. At bigay to ni Miss Nay. Thank you, Miss Nay, the owner of this beautiful villa, yung Kaizai Villa. Thank you. May pa-welcome gift pa siya. Sobrang thoughtful. Thank you so much. Mamaya, kakainin natin to. Dessert. Kita natin muna dyan.
What's the biggest misconception people have about showbiz?
That it's glamorous. Pure glamour. Meron naman talaga ding glamour, definitely. Pero, sobra ding hard work, di ba? Alam mo yan. Di ba? Hindi siya ganun talaga. And I guess, kaya mas na-appreciate din natin kasi pinagpapaguran natin talaga, di ba?
Who is your ultimate acting role model?
Madami. Pero sige, parang top of mind, Vilma Santos. I like Vilma Santos.
If your life was a movie genre, would it be a drama, a comedy, or a romance?
Dramedy. Diba? Sa daming drama, parang nakakatawa na siya.
What is one thing you can't leave the house without?
My cellphone, kasi nandun din, kasi hindi rin ako makash na tao. So, nandun lahat. Nandun yung digital payments, doon ko ginagawa lahat. Oh, ayan, pag swimming ko pala, I'll take my oral sunblock by Mostu.
Look at this lighting. This is a good selfie lighting. So, mag-selfie ka nga?
Okay, asa naman ang phone? Ayun! Kaya ang aking phone. Maganda ang lighting dito. Ayan. Selfie worthy. Ay, oo nga. Parang mas maganda ako dito. Ganun eh. Parang hindi na kailangan ng filter kasi ang ganda ng lighting nga.
Ano gamit mo ba sa mukha mo?
Ah? Oh! Thank you for asking. Ngayon, nakadilan ako ng skin tint. Thank you, Dylan. Alam mo, ang ganda niyan kasi talagang pagka ginamit mo siya, nagbe-blend siya, tapos sunblock na rin siya. So, hindi lang siya makeup or foundation, it's also skincare. So, thank you.
How would you describe your personal style in 3 words?
Comfort above all. Ganon. Yun. 3 yun.
High heels or comfortable flats?
Flats, anytime. Hindi nga ako marunong mag-high heels eh. Hindi ko na yata kaya.
This bathroom is stunning. What does your actual self-care routine look like after a long day on the set?
Ako, very low maintenance. I'm an Eskinol girl. Gusto ko talaga Eskinol lang. And then, yun nga, yung Dylan, ginagamit ko ngayon because sobrang nice. And of course, yung ang go-to ko talaga, Holy Grail Boys Mossview. Mossview talaga. Gusto ko talaga yung products.
How do you shake off a heavy or emotional scene after the yell cut?
I think of reality, my family. Siyempre, yung my family grounds me all the time, especially my children. So, pag heavy masyado, nag-shift ako dun sa ano yung reality ko. And my reality are my family, my children, and my friends. Yun, yung reality ko, I shift back to that. So, nawawala ako dun sa character. Hey, by the way, please subscribe and watch all my vlogs sa YouTube channel. Lovely Rivero. Yeah. Okay.
What is your favorite way to truly distress and unplug?
Going on staycations, vacations, such as this. At saka, being with friends like you. Sila Alma, sila Tita M, sila Glenda. Basta yung mga totoong kaibigan ko, sila Beth, sila Carol, Neng, MG, kami. No, sinabi ko na lahat. And my kids. Siyempre, my children. Kaya lang sayang di sila makasama. Actually, this is the perfect vacation. Kaya lang, yun lang. Hindi lang tayo kompleto. Pero, babalik ko sila lahat dito kasi napakaganda dito. Yun. And basta yun, being with friends and family, my children. That's the perfect vacation. And then, yun, dress down ka lang, kahit na, ayan, di ba, nagpunta tayo ng Skinlandia, nagpa-cauterize tayo, kahit ang dami nating mga pero wala lang. Simple-simplihan lang, di ba? Yun ang masarap. Parang no pretenses.
Since we're in this fancy house, what's a favorite memory you and I actually share?
Yung last night. Hindi, pero marami tayong memories, di ba? Since way back, lagi tayo, mahilig tayo mag-staycation, magbakasyon, di ba? Kaya ang daming nagiging ganap na, countless memories with you, di ba?
Who is more likely to accidentally break a piece of decor in here, me or you?
Siyempre, me. Aminado naman ako. Ako napaka-clumsy ko, ikaw napaka-ingat mo, and you're very, parang very fine, refined kumilos. Ako wala eh. Wala talaga.
What advice would you give to your 18-year-old self?
Don't let anyone tell you how to live your life. At saka, hihiramin ko yung mantra ng brother ko, if you fail to plan, you're simply planning to fail. Totoo yun.
Final verdict. Would you come back and bring your whole tribe here in Kaysay Villa?
Walang rason para hindi bumalik dito. Yun lang talaga dahil super nice. Super nice. Like kagabi, nung dumating ako dito, wow, I was like, ang ganda. Yung lighting niya lalo sa gabi. And then, umaga, lalo ko pang nakita yung beauty ng lugar. Ang ganda niya. I hope that you guys check it out. Kaysay Villa. Thank you, Miss Nay and family. It's a very beautiful place. Salamat.
Okay, what can you tell yourself now, given the many experiences, given the many learnings of life? What can you tell yourself now?
Wala ka nang hindi kakayanin. Kasi ang dami na natin pinagdaanan. Ikaw rin naman, di ba? Ang dami ko nang pinagdaanan tayo. Na parang lahat kaya na natin. Basta nandyan si God. Kapit lang tayo kay God. Yan talaga eh. Di ba?
And the end. Thank you, Neb. I love you.
Teka, magsiswimming ako.
Go! Intayin mo ako dyan. Magjo-join ako.
Yeah! Gosh, ang sarap ng tubig. So inviting. I love this place. Miss me, babalik kami. Visit Kaysay Villa in Magalang, Pampanga. Thank you, Cham!